Hello and good morning. Welcome again to our class. Our topic for today is prime and composite numbers. How many smaller squares can you see? Can you arrange these squares into a rectangle? Okay, so let's have this arrangement. So this one is actually one row by 7 columns, or in symbol, I can write this one as 1 times 7. Can you think of another arrangement? Okay, so this is actually 7 rows by 1 column, or I can write this one as 7 times 1. Remember that 1 and 7 are factors of 7. Now, can you think of other arrangement? No more, right? Let's have another example. So this time, how many smaller squares do we have? And can you arrange these squares into a rectangle? Okay, so we have here. So we can say this is one row by 8 columns, or in symbol, I can have 1 times 8. Another arrangement will be 8 rows by 1 column, or in symbol, 8 times 1. Can you think of other arrangement? Let's have this example, or this arrangement. So this is actually 2 rows by 4 columns, or in symbol, I have 2 times 4. Lastly, I can rearrange this as 4 rows by 2 columns, or in symbol 4 times 2. Note that the factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So these are the factors of 8. And take note that when we list down the factors of a number, we don't repeat the factors. Again, going back to our examples a while ago, so let's consider the number 7. So the factors of 7s are 1 and 7. So we call this one as prime number. If we say prime number, it is a number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. On the other hand, we have the number 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So we call this number as composite number. We say composite number, it is a number that has more than two factors. Another way of finding prime and composite numbers is through the Sieve of Eratosthenes, which was developed by Greek mathematician named Eratosthenes. So let's have here box 1. Then after that, we will circle 2. Then cross out all numbers that are divisible by 2. Next is circle 3 and cross out all numbers that are divisible by 3. Next is circle 5 and then cross out all numbers that are divisible by 5. The next thing that we will do is circle 7 and then cross out all numbers that are divisible by 7. And then circle all other numbers. There you have it. To summarize our activity, the cross-out numbers are composite numbers, while the circled numbers are all prime numbers. So here are the list of prime numbers from 1 to 100. To summarize our discussion, if say prime number, it is a number that has only two factors, while the composite number is a number that has more than two factors.